I love you, so you just chat so much shit.
What? Oh no.
Oh, one of them bailed.
I would have bailed against us.
Alright, well I can talk. You're not allowed to cry either.
New rule to play.
So this is Ryan's commentary right here on what's happening. So whole shit, so whole shit, so whole shit.
I got points. More points than you, man.
Yeah, well I got mine first, so fuck you.
So what was this?
I don't know. I hit the post.
Faggots. You're not allowed to type chat either.
Yeah, you're banned from that.
Vote kick Snakey for typing.
That banned Snakey for typing.
Then talk, mother.
You can't breathe either.
You're not allowed to do anything in real life until you've scored a goal in a virtual game.
We can allow him to cry. We can allow him to cry. It's the nicest thing we can do.
Nice, Snakey. Snakey's going in with the same.
Having no boost in this game really fucking sucks.
He can cry even more now.
I missed the ball. Nice run.
The guy's AFK.
Yeah, we got this guy as AFK. So I thought you were gonna kill him. Oh, he jumped me. He's not AFK anymore.
Zenod.
Oh shit. That's going in. No!
Yeah!
Look, if you stayed in goal, you'd get clearance.
Yeah, come on, Snakey. And a save, maybe.
I do.
I think I found the camera here.
Right it in.
We're looking for Kudley.
Right, so Snakey's over in goal, so we'll probably won't hear from him for another couple of minutes.
Right, have you got a list beside?
I f***ing made this YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, oh shit, you can talk now.
The way Ryan says his S at the start of the letter, it sounds so weird.
I'm just saying an S, there's hardly anything like weird about it.
It's like Schmakey.
I said Snakey, you idiot.
Oh, it sounds like Schmake.
I don't know, when I come to edit this, I'll make sure.
Oh, you're YouTubing?
Yeah, I'm recording every match. So we've actually got some like stuff to put on.
Oh shit!
Because like this is.
I got to what I say now.
This thing's a piece of piss to record because it doesn't bugger up like CS:GO does.
Yes.
Oh!
What a shot.
What the hacking?
I think he's hacking.
I had to explain to my mum what a hacker was earlier.
Imagine Hot Wheels like that, where you just.
This is Hot Wheels pretty much.
Ryan, you can't see this because the power of the internet isn't strong enough, but I'm holding up a list of people who give a fuck, and it's a blank page.
What
What a Smakey.
Normal people chat shit and get banged. I chat shit and score goals.
You cried. You cried.
Right, so I can't hear you from all the way down there.
I can't hit Ryan either, but yeah.
Oh right, I can hear all you guys.
We're talking down to you.
Little kid.
You're our bitch now. You hit me, not the ball.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, sorry, you thought you was round.
Sorry, you just look so round and bouncy.
Yeah, I hit you down as well.
No, so
Can we look at how Ryan f***ed me as well?
Look, so just launched me about the goal.
That voice crack though.
I didn't know she was making a go until wait for it. Oh, did show me.
You're literally more static than person.
You're roboted so hard.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's recorded, mate. You're not gonna crawl away from that one.
I don't give a shit. I've already scored today, and in this game.
Yeah, same, Ryan. I've scored today.
The way you celebrate when you score, so it's like, oh my god, I scored!
It's like you actually achieved something in your life.
I'm shit at this game.
Yeah,
Can you admit it?
Yeah, definitely.
That's why he celebrates so much when he gets a kill in CS:GO.
Oh! Snakey saved my score.
That's his jizz noise right there.
What?
Snakey stole my score.
Snakey saved the game.
I got it, boys. Fuck, I don't got it.
You should have left that.
Fuck.
Yeah, so for you to hit it.
That would have been a first.
You can watch the Ryan can watch.
Yeah, to hit it, let alone score a goal.
Oh, he's just gonna chat and shit. He's at the bottom.
Yeah, well, I'm not like mentally insane.
racism.
I don't make an orgasm noise every time I score a goal.
No, actually, I saved it and he made the organ. Fucking hell. This game's shit.
Goes back to score on goal.
Yeah, we got fucked. This guy's AFK until it's centered, and then he fucking bomb rushes
Yeah.
in.
He didn't do shit.
Well, it's centered. Here he is, suck mofo.
No. Oh, did you see me hit the camera? That was so
That's only me.
Anyway.
I'm surprised the glass didn't shatter.
Surprised the cameraman didn't get a face full of car.
Bulletproof, innit? Bulletproof screen.
I'm surprised the cameraman's still there.
It doesn't mean it's car-proof, though. Only means it's bulletproof, you knob.
Go on, Sharon.
Realism isn't for all.
Oh, that sucks. You suck. Anybody who does that sucks.
I had 0 boost.
Why am I lagging?
It's because of your KFC internet.
Tells you exactly why
I've
you're
got better
lagging.
Wi-Fi than you. What are you on about,
Great
Katie?
internet.
Tells you exactly why you're lagging. Wait, fuck off.
I'm not trying.
I'm gonna score! Go on, go in.
Go.
Yeah! Oh, I'm so close to scoring.
I've got the Game Award statue.
I got Dave's bread.
Well deserved.
I know.
Guys, I got the sellout statue.
Good for you.
Which reminds me, buy Head and Shoulders.